Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of practical geometry. This is third question of its exercise 10.4. So the question says that examine whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, angle E is equal to 110 degree and F is equal to 80 degree. Justify your answer. So हमें given है line segment EF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, angle E is equal to 110 degree, angle F is equal to 80 degree and angle D हमें पता नहीं. So according to angle sum properties, the sum of all interior angle of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle E plus angle F plus angle D is equal to 180 degree and angle E हमें given है 110 plus F given है 80 and D हमें find out करना है. So ये जाएगा 180. So angle D is equal to 180 minus 190. So angle D is equal to minus 10 degree, which is not possible क्योंकि हमारे टू एंगल्स का सम 190 हो रहा है, जबकि इन ट्राइंगल sum of all three angles is equal to 180. So it is not possible to construct triangle DEF in which angle E 110 degree and angle F 80 degree. So it's impossible. Thank you.